My name is Paul Sutherland. I'm facilitating the leakage sprint here at Northumbrian Water. Today this is part of the festival, the Innovation Festival we've been very heavily involved with from conception to here.
So we're very excited about our role in the Northumbrian Water Innovation Festival. We've been helping with 4 different activities. So we're running one of the key sprints, and our sprint is on leakage, which is a major sprint around a hard problem. 21% of all water produced is wasted, so that's a big issue. We're also working on the launch of a hackathon with sponsored by Microsoft, with about 17 companies, different companies participating from across the UK, which we're very excited about. It's part of our fusion approach, where we have a sprint and a hack happening. We're also working on the At Future Room project with Reese Group, a very reputable business which runs trust that supports youth education. So we're helping them think about 2030 and the teenager's room in the future.
So the WaterAid app challenge is very much focused on helping volunteers in Africa identify water sanitation and water access issues. So this app could actually save lives, and the goal is to get 16 to 19-year-old young people to actually help us build this app. And they don't need any coding skills at all. We're using a special app called Nutshell that enables them to generate apps without coding. So needless to say, very excited about this project.
I'm here with Ian Cleaver, who's Network Services Regional Manager for Northumbrian Water. Ian, tell me a little bit about the experience over the last few days.
Exhilarating, exciting, frenetic, busy, all those good words. I mean, there's outcomes.
Absolutely. And I know you're quite seasoned. You're now seasoned at this. You've been involved in a number of sprints that we've been working together on. What's different about this event from the other programs we've done before?
Size. This is huge. This is really big, and we're getting lots of synergies, lots of different sprints intermingling, cross-pollination between sprints. They're coming up with some absolutely outrageous ideas from some areas we didn't think we'd get them from.
So about 1,000 people here over 5 days, fairly large audience, and this idea of sprints interacting with each other and sharing ideas and cross-pollinating. But we're also doing something interesting in leakage, aren't we? Doing something a bit different.
Oh, we are indeed, yes. We're looking at trying to gather more data. So within the leakage, we're working with data hackers and leakage sprinters. So we have the physical aspect of undertaking leakage coupled with the data collection, enabling us to have more information to push us in the right direction to find out this.
There's about 160 people all told in the leakage challenge. 21% of all water that's processed is leaked out, so something we need to sort out.
Absolutely.
So, based on your experience this year, this is the first time you've done this, huge adventure for Northumbrian Water. Do you think you'll be experiencing this again?
I hope so. Bring it on. Next year seems like a great one.
Excellent.
It's important to understand that for AD, it's definitely part of a process. We tend to start off with a series of workshops to really well define the challenge and working with stakeholders to build confidence in the process, because many people are inexperienced in design thinking and agile innovation method. Following on from the completion of these socially structured activities, we often roll out commercialization programs, building internal business cases for investment, establishing partnerships, arranging commercial arrangements, things like IP, raising finance, and so on. So it is just a function of agile innovation and moving quickly to make something happen.
My name is Pete Dagan. I'm Managing Director of Dagan & Story. We're a digital agency based in Gateshead. We've been on the 5-day leakage sprint, so we're trying to find small leaks in the Northumbrian Water network We've interacted with a bunch of people from Northumbrian Water, experts in the field, engineers, people who go out there, dig holes, find problems, people who know more about leaks than anybody could possibly imagine. And we've learned lots of amazing things. So our solution is using advanced linguistics to detect people talking about leaks in areas online like Twitter and social media platforms that Northumbrian Water don't know people are talking about them on. So we do lots of scanning and we break things up into the structure of language and find out what people are saying from the pattern of that structure of language, which is all very nerdy and geeky, but good fun.
So the Innovation Festival is pretty cool. We learned so much about the water industry that we've never done beforehand. We are more from the technology side, so we are very keen on messing around with the data that we got and also trying out some visualizations of it. So I've never actually thought about data flow and pressure and water leakage until this week.
Yeah, there's also some machine learning and AI involved. We're going to let the machines do the job as well. So we're here to make it look pretty, and then the machines are going to make it look smart. That's basically what we're doing.
So, as a part of this initiative, what we're trying to do is we're trying to encourage volunteers who generally go out for a walk with the dogs or other walks or jog or whatever, to, if they identify a leak, to proactively tell us, inform Northumbrian Water about what the leak is.
We've received a fully developed Ripple Rangers application, which actually gamifies identifying and locating, reporting leakage on the network. So you can see here on this particular application, you can identify and map out specific types of issue.
We work for P and Daly, a civil engineering firm. We work with Severn Trent Water Company at the moment on the leakage contractor side of things. And today, though, we've been working on what looks like an opportunity to improve the leakage detection activity, finding leaks specifically, making that more efficient by drilling small micro core boreholes down into the main. We've been able to install an acoustic logging device to help us detect a leak better, something at the moment is not really done. You can only really use the fittings currently in the ground to detect the leak, so being able to drill holes down onto the main seems to be quite a benefit.
The other two companies I've worked with before, and they've got some obviously really good ideas and some stuff that we've not used before, not even really kind of thought of. So it's interesting to see all the companies that are here today that have got ideas that are just not being used.
Seems like it's breaking down some of the normal blockers to moving things forward in terms of innovations. These ideas and concepts exist, never move forward, a lot of talking, not much doing, and this seems to be a lot of doing, so real positive.